Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I will tell you how to perform Salat-e-Tasbeeh prayer. Last month, I have made this video in Urdu language. People of more than 30 countries watch this video. Mostly people comments why they perform second rakat. Then I decide to make this video in English language and complete 4 rakat. In Salat-ul-Tasbih, we must complete 75 times tasbih in a 1 rakat and total 300 times in 4 rakat. Start with intention niyat 4 rakat Salat-e-Tasbih. Close your hand and recite Sana.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك.
After Sana, recite 15 times this tasbih. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Recite Tahooz, Tasmiya and Sura-e-Fateha.
أعوذ.
After reciting Sura-e-Fateha, recite any surah of Quran.
قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Recite 10 times this tasbih. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Then move to ruku and recite 3 times Subhan Rabbiyal Azim and recite this tasbih 10 times. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. After ruku, move to standing positions and recite Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana lakal hamd. Recite this tasbih 10 times. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. And move to first sajda and recite 3 times Subhan Rabbiyal A'la and recite tasbih 10 times. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Move to sitting position, jalsa between 2 sajda and recite tasbih 10 times. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Move to second sajda and recite 3 times Subhan Rabbiyal A'la. Recite tasbih 10 times. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. After second sajda, move to standing position of second rakat. Recite tasbih 15 times. Recite Surah-e-Fateha and any surah of Quran. Recite tasbih 10 times. Move to ruku and recite tasbih 10 times, same as first rakat. Then move to standing position, comma, and recite tasbih 10 times. And move to sajda, recite tasbih 10 times, same as first rakat. Move to sitting position between 2 sajda, recite tasbih 10 times. Move to second sajda, recite tasbih 10 times. Move to sitting position called Qaidah and recite
التحيات لله والصلوات والطيبات السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته السلام علينا وعلى عباد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Move to standing position for third rakat. Complete third rakat as per second rakat and after second sajda stand up for fourth rakat. Complete 4 rakat as it is. After second sajda of fourth rakat, move to sitting position and recite Attahiyat, Durood, Dua and Salam. Thank you for watching video. Allah Hafiz.